to create this perspective effect, we'll be going over to our apps and we'll be searching for a transform image. We'll be picking this one. Now we have the option to use an existing design or using a new design. So I'm just going to click using a new design. When I click on using a new design, it brought up this interface asking me what would I like to create. And I'm going to choose the doc type I would like to create with, of which with this one I'm going to type YouTube thumbnail. This one, the interface of the app has opened. You see transform image and it says we should upload our file. We can upload JPEG, PNG and this type of files. Let's choose the file. This is the file we want to transform. So what you will do is to drag the image to adjust this perspective. So I'm using my mouse now to do this. You can do this. If I scroll up, it does this. If I scroll down, it does this. See what it's doing? I can keep it this way, and depending on what you do. So if I want it to be this way, full perspective is going to be that way. If I want it to be this way, I'm just going to position it how I want it. Or you might just toggle it, change the position. You see what happened? You can use this part to straighten your mouse and it's full perspective. So I'm just going to push it this way. And I'm going to scroll in my mouse to reduce it. And I'm going to still go down. You have the option to zoom in. You can reset the perspective if you don't like what we did. I'm going to click on add to design. It has added this beautiful image to my design. I'm going to go ahead and shrink further if I want to do that. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.